50 grammar questions, 1 video, 0 excuses. This is the ultimate English grammar test. Grab a pen, keep your score, and let's see what you're made of. Let's go. Question 1. She blanks Spanish and Portuguese fluently. Question 2. They blank a new apartment last month. Question 3. I haven't seen her blank last summer. Question 4. He blank a shower when the doorbell rang. Question 5. There isn't blank milk left in the fridge. Question 6. She blank her driving test 3 times before she passed. Question 7. We blank here for over 2 hours already. Question 8. This is blank movie I've ever watched. Question 9. He blank to call you back as soon as possible. Question 10. Blank you like some more coffee. You're crushing this grammar test, but let me ask you something real. When was the last time you actually spoke English out loud? Not typed it, not read it, spoke it. If you're not sure, that's the problem Stuck to Fluent solves. 500 phrases for real conversations organized in a 30-day plan. You'll go from understanding to actually speaking. The link is in the description. Question 11. The windows blank cleaned every week by the maintenance team. Question 12. She blank tennis since she was 12. Question 13. If I had more free time, I blank learn to paint. Question 14. He's much taller blank his older brother. Question 15. I blank rather watch a documentary tonight. Question 16. The letter blank sent to the wrong address by mistake. Question 17. She asked me if I blank free the next day. Question 18. He blank like chocolate at all. He prefers fruit. Question 19. I'll text you when I blank. Question 20. Blank, careful with that vase, it's very fragile. Question 21. She blank a lot of weight since she started eating healthier. Question 22. We used to blank near a river when I was young. Question 23. He's the man blank car was parked outside our house. Question 24. I blank my homework yet. Can I have 5 more minutes? Question 25. She sings blank than anyone else in the choir. Question 26. The museum blank at 5 o'clock every day. Question 27. If she blank harder, she would have passed the course. Question 28. I'm not used to blank getting up so early. Question 29. That's the town blank I grew up. Question 30. He blank work tomorrow because it's a national holiday. Question 31. She blank me that she was moving to Canada. Question 32. By the time we arrived, the show blank already started. Question 33. I wish I blank more patience with difficult situations. Question 34. Blank of the students passed the final exam. It was a great result. Question 35. She suggested blank a different approach to the problem. Question 36. He speaks English as blank as a native speaker. Question 37. The cake blank baked by my grandmother for the celebration. Question 38. I blank to the dentist twice this year. Question 39. If it blank sunny tomorrow, we'll go hiking. Question 40. She couldn't remember blank she had locked the front door.
Question 41. You blank better hurry or you'll miss the bus. Question 42. He denied blank having sent the confidential email to anyone. Question 43. Not only blank she's smart, but she's also incredibly creative. Question 44. I'd rather you blank that to anyone else. Question 45. The more you practice, the blank you'll become. Question 46. She blank have left already. Her coat is gone. Question 47. It's high time we blank something about this issue. Question 48. Hardly had he sat down, blank, the phone started ringing. Question 49. Were she to accept the offer, she blank have to relocate. Question 50. Under no circumstances blank this information be shared publicly. "50 questions. You made it to the end. That's commitment right there. So what's the final score? Be honest and drop it in the comments. If you got over 40, your grammar is on another level. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for a new challenge every single day. Catch you tomorrow.